Welcome to my channel. Here we have 8 plus 2 parenthesis 10 divided by 5 times 2. We first of all solve our parenthesis, which is 10 divided by 5. 10 divided by 5 will give us 2. Then we have 2 times 2. Then put it in our parenthesis. Then we'll bring down 8 plus 2. So 2 times 2 will give us 4. Then we have 8 plus 2 times 4. 8 plus 2 will give us 10. The 10 times 4 will give us 40. So 40 is the wrong answer to this expression because we did not follow the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, moving from our left to our right in order to arrive in a very correct answer. So let's dive into the right answer to this expression. We first of all solve our parenthesis, which is 10 divided by 5 times 2. 10 divided by 5 will give us 2. Then 2 times 2. We are still in our parenthesis. Then we'll bring down 8 plus 2. So 2 times 2 will give us 4. Then we have 8 plus 2 times 4. Then we have done our parentheses. Then first of all solve our multiplication because it comes first before addition. So 2 times 4 will give us 8. Then we'll bring on our 8 plus 8. We have done our multiplication. Then we solve our addition. 8 plus 8 will give us 16. So 16 is the right answer to this expression. I hope you find the video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.